Section 3. Nation, ethnos. The Greek word ethnos, which is translated as nation in English Bibles, means, according to Abbott Smith, quote, 1. A multitude or company, whether of beasts or men. 2. A nation or people. 3. In plural, as in the Old Testament, the nations, as distinct from Israel, Gentiles, end quote. According to Liddell and Scott, it means, quote, a number of people living together, a company, body of men, a band of comrades, a host of men, and of particular tribes, and of animals, swarms, flocks, etc. 2. After hom, a nation or people in the New Testament and Ecclesiastes, the nations, Gentiles, i.e., all except Jews and Christians. 3. A particular class of men, a caste or tribe, end quote. According to Kittle's Theological Dictionary of the New Testament, it means, quote, a mass or host or multitude bound by the same manners, customs, or other distinctive features. Applied to men, it gives us the sense of people, but it can be used of animals in the sense of herd, or of insects in the sense of swarm. In most cases, ethnos is used of men in the sense of a people, end quote. Compared with other words such as laos, quote, people as a political unity with a common history and constitution, end quote, and glossa, quote, people as a linguistic unity, end quote, ethnos, quote, is the most general and therefore the weakest of these terms, having simply an ethnographical sense and denoting the natural cohesion of a people in general, end quote. Ethnos does not mean state. It is a much broader and wider concept than merely the state. Of interest also is the statement in Kittle's Theological Dictionary of the New Testament that the word ethnos probably comes from the Greek word ethos, which means habit, use, custom, cultic ordinance, and law. An ethnos, a nation, in this sense means a company of men bound by the same customs, laws, cultic ordinances, habits, etc. It is clear from this why the New Testament, although it never refers to the body of Christ, the Christian community, as a church, kyriakon, but rather primarily as an assembly, ecclesia, also refers to the body of Christ as a nation, ethnos, 1 Peter 2 verse 9, and addresses the nation of Christ in the same words that Moses addressed the nation of Israel in Exodus 19 verse 6. See Leviticus 20 verse 26, Deuteronomy 7 verse 6, Revelation 1 verse 6, and chapter 5 verse 10.